Consistent frosting application depends on maintaining a steady, repeatable flow of product even as production speeds change. A proportion air QB3 electronic pressure regulator proportionally controls the air pressure applied to the dispensing tank. By precisely controlling tank pressure, the QB3 maintains a smooth and consistent flow of frosting. In this automated frosting dispensing process, one tank is filled with frosting. An air-operated diaphragm pump fills the second tank that will dispense the frosting onto the product. As the first tank empties, the system alternates between the two with the help of a solenoid valve to keep production moving continuously. The required airflow depends on the volume of the tank and the dispensing speed. With flow capacity up to 30 standard cubic feet per minute, the QB3 can meet the demands of this process while controlling pressure with an accuracy of plus or minus 0.25% of full-scale calibration. Frosting is only one example. The same pressure control method can be used to dispense a wide variety of materials, including adhesives, sealants, creams, pastes, and other products. Proportion air products are simple to integrate and engineered to provide accurate, repeatable, and customizable control for automated air dispensing applications.